Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Cracko298. I was away for a little while. Sorry about that, but I have something to show for it. So, I'm making a ISZ mod menu. I want to show off what I currently have developed. And so, we're going to go over to my, not my GitHub actually. I uploaded it to the ISZ hacker organization. I'm going to go over to repositories, ISZ-ModMenu. I'm going to go to release number 3, which just released about 15 hours ago, and download it. So now we're just going to go ahead and extract. Now you should pop up with this window right here. You'll get the ISZ-ModMenu.exe file, and you'll get a lot of other files, such as testing over here. You have testing, software, all that. What this does is if we double click this, if we run this anyway, this is a test application to see and make sure the memory function of the mod menu works. Then this just tells you if there's any currently running application, and if so, with the name of ISZ Win64 shipping.exe, it'll come back with the amount of bytes that it takes up in memory. And that's mostly it. You have a bunch of other files in here. You have the images that the application does use. You have core mods, logic mods. You have MM plugins. This is just a test plugin. And this comes standard with it, by the way. Then you have profiles. This is used for injecting mods which have not been implemented yet. So let's start it up. Run anyway. And it starts up this little doohickey right here. Now it also comes with a console window. This console window, it's simple, okay? It's really simple. So if you want to dump the AES keys, it'll say no host, blah, blah, blah. Nothing's running currently, okay. And if you were to, let's say, I don't know, try to trick it or whatever, it'll come up with its own little error. So if you type in, or not type, but press dump AES keys, come back. Process ISZ.exe is invalid, cannot dump UE4 4.27.2 keys. And so that works. And so let's start up ISZ. This will run on top, the console will not. Alright, now ISZ is loaded up. If I click the tithe key, it does not open. Because it does not open. Let me go ahead and turn this volume down. Doesn't open any menu, so we're going to inject the ISZ mod menu. And it should pop up here in a second. If not, we might need to re-inject it. As you can see, it's injecting now. And we have it. Now you can do a lot with this. This injects the mod loader, so any current files that are located in the pack file directory and are in the appropriate console directory will be loaded into the game. We can actually see this with the single player. So you can see we're playing ISZ. Now we gotta look for a zombie. Might be a little bit. Rest assured, it does actually load your mods in your current folder. And you will need to patch this with using Steam Stub DRM. You'll need to use Steamless to get rid of the Steam Stub DRM. So the other thing that you can do with this is dump the AES 256 keys by clicking dump. It'll come up right here, and it'll say, whoops, sorry, cannot dump. Still am working out the kinks. I believe this does if I close it and then reopen it. Dump keys, and it'll pop up right here. Dump keys. Rest assured it normally does work. So you can close the ISZ-ModMenu and you can close the game window. So we can close iStation-Z by just clicking that, and it terminates it. It'll come up here in the console saying, yada 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 yada, terminated. Cool. Then you can also close the iStation-Z mod menu. Now if you attempt to close the game window, you get an error. Inject without that error. Dump the AES keys, comes out with an error. If you close the mod menu, doesn't come up with an error. So that was a basic overview of the ISZ mod menu. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you don't, well then don't. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye.